I am Edward, King of the English, son of Alfred the Great. In the year 899, upon my father's death, duty called me to reign over Wessex. Alfred, with his wisdom and bravery, had repelled the Danes and laid the foundations of a strong kingdom. Yet his work was not complete. The unity of the English remained a dream, and foreign threats, a harsh reality. To me fell the heavy task of continuing his legacy. Upon my accession to the throne, I faced both internal intrigues and external dangers. The Danes still held firm control over Northumbria and parts of East Anglia, while local lords in Mercia and other regions sought to maintain their independence. But I knew that only a united kingdom could ensure our survival against Viking invaders and internal rivalries. The early years of my reign were devoted to strengthening the foundations laid by my father. I consolidated the fortresses and burhs he had built, creating a network of defenses capable of protecting our lands and our people. Through laws and administration, I ensured that every subject, whether humble peasant or noble lord, felt part of a greater kingdom. Military campaigns were inevitable. In 909, with my Mercian allies, I launched a decisive expedition against the Vikings in Northumbria. We triumphed, recovering the relics of St. Oswald for Mercia, an act that strengthened the spiritual and moral unity of our people. But these victories were only the beginning. The Vikings continued to ravage our lands, and it was necessary to show them that their domination would not last. My alliance with my sister, Ethelflaed, Lady of the Mercians, was crucial in this struggle. She was an exceptional leader, combining strength and intelligence. Together, we fought the Vikings, reclaimed territories, and strengthened the ties between Wessex and Mercia. But in 918, her death left me not only in mourning, but also with the responsibility of governing Mercia. This was a pivotal moment in my reign, as it allowed the unification of the two realms under a single crown. Over the years, my authority extended to East Anglia and other territories still under Danish control. Through war, but also through marriages and alliances, I laid the foundations of a unified English kingdom. The Danes were driven back, and local lords gradually accepted my rule. Yet my reign was not solely defined by war. I strove to bring peace and prosperity to my people. I encouraged trade, strengthened laws, and promoted education and religion, ensuring that the Christian spirit guided our actions. Every fortress built, every market opened, every law enacted was aimed at creating a stable and strong kingdom for future generations. In 924, after 25 years of struggles, triumphs, and sacrifices, my time among you came to an end. My son, Athelstan, inherited what I had built, a more united and stronger kingdom, ready to embrace the future. May history remember me, Edward the Elder, not as a faultless king, but as a man devoted to his people, a builder of unity, and a defender of our land. My reign was an unrelenting quest for peace and prosperity, guided by my father's legacy and my love for the kingdom.